Welcome trader. Today you will learn how to identify a professional pullback. A controlled retracement that allows you to enter with higher probability and lower risk. A healthy pullback does not break structure. It is not weakness. It is the market gathering strength. The MA9 acts as a dynamic guide. In strong trends, price often respects it. A disciplined trader does not anticipate. He observes price reaction. He waits for confirmation. The RSI confirms balance. We do not look for extremes. We look for context. Trend plus MA9 plus mid RSI. When everything aligns, the entry becomes clear. You do not need many trades. 2 good pullbacks per day are enough. Consistency comes from focus. Thank you for learning with Trading Together Academy.